Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will talk about BODMAS and PEMDAS. So let us talk about it and let us understand about it. So firstly, this is not correct thing. So here we have this question to solve in which let us do the what is B stand for? B stand for bracket, O stand for order, D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, and A stand for addition, and S stand for subtraction. So first we have to do brackets. Here we can find two brackets, so left to right. Let us divide this. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. After that, 5 minus 3, this is the other bracket, that give us 2, and then 8. Okay, let us multiply it because we haven't any division here and order, so multiply it by here, and we have addition remain, and we will get 14. This was our answer. But do you know it have a twin of it? So here is BODMAS and PEMDAS. So let us solve a question with both of them. So first we will do brackets, so the answer is 2, and here same we get answers 2, and here our whole question is done. So after that, there is not there is division. Here we do division first here, and here in this place, in PEMDAS places, we do multiplication first. That gives us 12, and then we multiply by 6 by 2. That gives us 12. So 12 plus 5. Here is 12 plus 5 plus 12, and give us 17. In both places the answer is same. So there is no different. There is not common different here. So so अब हम लोग इसको, मेरे पास क्वेश्चंस थे तो इनको सॉल्व करके देखते हैं. तो फर्स्ट यहाँ पे इसको सॉल्व करते हैं. तो वेट अ मिनट, लेट मी जूम इट फॉर यू. सो अब यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसको इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे जिससे हमारे पास 6 आ जाएगा. तो 6 को प्लस कर 5 से प्लस करने के बाद हमें 11 आता है, तो इसका आंसर 11 है. अब इसमें क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट तो ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करेंगे, 10 आ जाएगा डिवाइड बाय 2. अब 10 डिवाइड बाय 2 हमारे पास 5 आता है, तो इसका आंसर 5 हो जाएगा. अब 10 माइनस, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग इस वाले क्वेश्चन के लिए 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 करेंगे, 6 आ गया. तो और फिर हम लोग माइनस करेंगे, तो वेट अ मिनट, हमें 4 मिल जाएगा. बिकॉज यहाँ हम लोग लेफ्ट से राइट करें, तो पहले हम लोग माइनस को करेंगे. अब हमारे पास जब ये आ जाएगा, तो फिर हम लोग इसे प्लस कर देंगे इसके साथ, तो हमें 8 मिल जाएगा. अब 8 डिवाइड बाय 2 प्लस 2. अब देखें, ये 2 प्लस 2 4 हो जाता है. 8 डिवाइड बाय 4 इक्वल टू, आफ्टर दैट 7 प्लस, तो यहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन के लिए 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4, जिससे हमारे पास आंसर आएगा. वेट अ मिनट, लेट मी सी what will your answer gain. So 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. So okay, my words. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग अब क्या करेंगे, पहले 6 ऐड कर लेंगे. तो प्लस 6 हमारे पास आ जाएगा, 7 ऐड करेंगे, सॉरी, 19 माइनस 5 इक्वल 14। तो हमारे पास आ गया 14। अब ये वाले क्वेश्चंस करते हैं। तो फर्स्ट इस क्वेश्चन के लिए अब देखें हम लोग यहाँ पे 5 प्लस 3 that is equal 8. After that multiply it by 2, 16. After that minus 4 gives us 12. तो ये भी करेक्ट हो गया। सो आफ्टर दैट हम लोग ये वाला करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। तो यहाँ पे 4 प्लस 2 equals 6. After that divide it by 2, that give us 2, and multiply it by 3 gives us 6. After that 4 minus 8 minus 4 is equal 4, and 6 multiplied by 2 is equal 12. So after that 4 plus 12, let us do. So 4 plus 12 gives us 16, and answer is 16. After that we have to solve the bracket in this, so 7 will answer here. Sorry, here is the answer. There is no answer here. My worst. So let us correct it. So 8 minus no first, that gives us 7. After that multiply it by 3. Let us see what will be. Multiply by 3 gives us 21. So 21. Ouch. This is maybe dangerous. So 10 minus 21 equals minus 3. Let's make confusion. Leave it. Okay. After that we have to do this. Gives us 12. Not make brackets, so it will get no baba. After that gives us 2, 2, and that gives us 6. I mean by 6. Multiply by 5 gives us 30. Answer is 30. We have written whole question. So here we get 6 plus 4 multiplied by 2 is equal 20. No, no, yeah. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4, and 20 minus 4 is not correct. So that's what we're saying. Let us do this. So plus 4 multiplied by 2 is equal 14. Oh, that's my worst. That's my mistake to understand the operator. So here the answer is 10. This is what's question. Okay. After that here wait a minute. Done. 10 multiplied by, so first solve the brackets here. 12, no more brackets needed. Okay, after that we had to solve this type of brackets. So uh, 3. Okay, after that we have to multiplication first. Okay, 50. After that do this, gives us 5, and 5 minus 45, 50 equal 45. 45 is equal to 45. That is true. Okay. After that This question is maybe 10. Okay. After that, that gives us. Okay. After that, we have to solve what we have to solve. This thing, 50. This 4. So let us divide it. Gives us 3, and that gives us 46. And that is also true. So after that, we have to solve this. So we have to solve this in first because that will make confusion. 4. Okay. After that, okay, let us solve word by word. So here that gives us 20 and minus 3 gives us 17. Okay, we have to solve this. So give us 3 and then we get 20 again. 20 is equal. 20 is true. Okay, after that, this is 20. We have to solve bigger bracket first. So smaller bracket first because it will make confusion. So gives us 3. Well, no need for this bracket. After that, what to do first? Who is first row? That gives us 8. Very good. 16 is answer. So 16 not 16. That is making hint money. Okay, here we will do this. So here first, what happened to this? Solve this and gives us 3. First multiply it by 6. Okay, it's out. 18. Okay. After that, I don't know. 18 divided by 3 gives us 6. Not this is from question. That is not true. 6 is not equal, so what we have to do is 5. Yeah, that was first. So, okay. After that, we have to do this. This gives us 7. Minus 2 gives us 6. And that is controllers. I did correct one. 7, 6, and then we do this. That's 25, and then multiplication, and let us do multiplication. It's 7 multiplied by 6 is equal to 42. Minus 25 is equal to 16. Simple. Okay, 16. This was correct. After that, we have to do this. gives us 13. That gives us 3. Okay. After that, we have multiplication. This is first one. So 13 multiplied by 13 divided by 3, 39. Okay, what did I have? 39. After that, we have to do this. Easily gives us 10. And 10 minus, let us confirm it. Okay, 10 minus, no, sorry, 39 minus 10 equal. Very good. She's giving us 29. That is not power. 29 was our answer. Okay, so here we have no question left. That was my biggest question. So here gives us this is multiply. Okay, so 8 gives us 4 here. Gives us 4. Okay, so after that in BODMAS rule we have to do multiplication. Okay, let us do the multiplication in the calculator. 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 24. 24? Yeah. Plus 10, 34. Okay. 34 minus 4 gives us 30. Correct answer. After that, we have this question. First, this question, so it gives us 5. This gives us 4. Okay. After that, multiplication 30. Okay. Plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 30. Okay. Plus 4 equal 34 minus. So this is a 30. Correct question? Oh, both are 30, 30 and B win actually. So, Piyamanullah, Allah Hafiz.